In this video I will show you how to get hard disk or solid-state drive speed just one click in Windows 10 and 11. See, I have 3 hard disks in my computer. I test the speed of this hard disk drive one by one. Type CMD and run as administrator. Type winsat disk drive C. Type your disk drive. See my hard disk speed showing here. Let's check another hard disk drive speed test. See here showing my another hard disk drive speed. That's it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.